Namely machine.
Yes. And yesterday the factory opening ceremony.
Okay.
And this.
Yeah, and inside also you change some part, right?
Yes.
It's looking like new.
Yeah.
It's really looking like new.
I see. Yes, they are new. So keep us safe. Be safe.
It's very comfortable. We can sleep here. It's manual. It's going down automatically. And then when I sit,
Yes,
You know?
this handle to incorporate the
To lift it.
Yeah, the lifting.
so if we can give also have some alarm bells. This one. Hi guys, we are in Zhengzhou City with our partner Kara. Hi Kara.
Yes, I'm fine.
Yeah. So we show you the bus we can get here. So let's go.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah, this one is the Tonglong Brown bus. This one and the number of seats we accept customize from you. Many.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a city bus.
This
We
is a
can
city bus.
customize.
Yes. And this one is the long distance bus.
Okay.
And the 14 seats will be from the 30 to 72.
Okay. 30 to 72 seats.
And
This one?
yes, this one is an electric car. For this
Electric bus. Guys, this bus is a 48-seat bus. As you can see, many people can get it. It's a long distance bus. You can even put your luggage here. If you want that kind of bus, just contact us. We will give you the best price. So if you want to customize, guys, whatever you want to do, you want to put your logo, everything, so we can do it for you. So thank you very much. Thank you, Kara.
Yes, you're welcome. Or used.
But even this one is like Toyota custom.
Yeah, this is also the Toyota Coaster. Only it's the Mudan.
Yeah, only the
Can
logo
their logo.
is different. It's not Toyota, but it's like Toyota. Okay. So this is this one. The company can use it. Really nice, very comfortable. Come. Let me go sit. It's a really comfortable and it's leather. You can also adjust if you want. Easy. So it's not Toyota. It's a new brand. They just personalized. You can put your language here if you want. The price is very good.
Standard CC is 23. We can under 6 to maximum can do 29 seats. What
Yeah.
is our client requires, we can do it.
Okay. So you customize for your customer, right?
Yes. The customer,
You
you can
change the
also,
color.
yeah, also, you can also
You will
put
send
your company
to
logo
yeah
and the names.
29
Yeah,
seats.
29 seats.
So guys, it's here they used to change every part of the bus. So as you can see, actually they are changing, they are customizing this bus. They already paint, they change the color as the customer needs. Come. So it's something like that. They will customize, they will change every part, every old part. They will change everything. Guys, if you want that kind of bus, you can just contact us. We can customize as you want. If you want to change the seat, if you want to add more seat or do whatever you want, we can do it for you.